In this video, I'll guide you through how to filter properties by year built in PropWire. Filtering properties by the year they were built is a simple way to narrow your search and focus on homes that match your investment criteria. Every investor has different preferences, and the age of a property can play an important role in the types of opportunities they're looking for. Whether you're interested in newer homes, want to avoid older construction, or simply have specific buying guidelines, PropWire makes it easy to apply this filter in just a few clicks. To get started, log into your PropWire account and open your property search results. You should already have a list of properties displayed on the screen before applying the year-built filter. Once your results are visible, look toward the top of the page and click on the More option to access additional search settings. After opening the More menu, select Property Filters. This section contains several options that let you narrow your search based on specific property characteristics. Scroll through the available filters until you find the year-built field. This is where you can specify the oldest property you're willing to consider as part of your search. For example, if you only want to view properties built in 1975 or later, simply enter 1975 into the year-built field. After entering your preferred year, review the value to make sure it's correct, then click Save and Close to apply the filter. As soon as the filter is applied, PropWire automatically refreshes your results. You'll notice that the total number of matching properties changes immediately, leaving you with a more focused list that meets your year-built requirement. In some neighborhoods, especially those with older housing, the number of results may decrease significantly after applying this filter. That's completely normal and simply reflects the age of the available properties in that area. Filtering by year built can be especially useful when you want to concentrate on homes that may require fewer updates or when your investment strategy is designed around properties from a certain time period. It's also a helpful way to remove properties that don't meet your preferred criteria without having to review each listing individually. Once your filtered results are displayed, you can continue exploring the remaining properties or combine the year-built filter with other search options to create an even more targeted list. Using property filters in PropWire gives you greater control over your search and helps you spend less time sorting through properties that don't fit your goals, allowing you to focus on the opportunities that best match your investment strategy.